In 2000, Jinbeili, the predecessor of Jinbeili, was founded in the important electronics town Xiamen, Dongguan. After more than a decade of arduous and extraordinary efforts, we built factories: Dongguan Jinbeili Electronics, Xiamen Jinbeili Electronics Co Limited in 2014, and Xiamen Jinbeili Industrial Co Limited in 2023. Our factory covers a total area of over 10,000 square meters with complete production equipment and facilities including precision molding manufacturing workshop, vertical and horizontal injection molding workshops, precision metal stamping workshop, automated production workshop, manual assembly workshop, wire harness processing workshop, customized metal processing workshop, are capable of meeting product customization, diversification and skill production, innovation, smart manufacturing, and quality assurance, and our core competitive advantages in leading the market. We independently design and develop customized automated production equipment to meet the skill production needs of custom-designed products for customers. We have well-equipped laboratory and experienced quality control team and equipped precision testing equipment, including electron microscopes, LGP smart cope, glow wire tester, sound spray tester, reflow soldering oven, multifunctional live testing machine, LHS tester, coating thickness gauge, automotive wire harness tension meter, automotive wire harness section analyzer, wire sequence detector, from material origin to process inspection, and then to shipment traceability. Under monitoring to ensure the high-quality product. The product development team, with multiple members having over 20 years of experience, focused on market demand and keep exploring and innovation on new products. Therefore, our factory has obtained multiple invention and utility model patents, and the honor of being recognized as the provincial high-tech enterprise. Quick response, fast delivery, flexible customization, one-stop diversified product services. It is the core advantage of Jinbeili in enhancing brand competitiveness for customers. Young and dynamic, high-level domestic and international sales team, and experienced after-sales service team have been providing customers with efficient, professional, and high-quality services throughout the entire process. Our factory primarily manufactures switches, sockets, and other connectors and the main line, while we also start to extend the complementary products gradually. The main products include slide switches, tact switches, illuminated tact switches, push-button switches, audio jacks, DC sockets, USB connectors and waterproof Type-C sockets, energy storage connectors, grab wire harness, energy storage harnesses, power harnesses, new energy vehicle cables, high current heavy-duty connectors, and custom metal etc. These products are widely used in small household appliances, digital products, communication equipment, robots, smart toilets, message equipment, energy storage equipment, electric vehicles. Various products lay a solid foundation for company's future diversified development and providing customers with one-stop product services. Jinbeili has obtained ISO 9001 and 2005 quality system certification and IATF 16949 and 2005 automotive quality system certification. Our high-quality products and services have earned recognition from well-known clients both domestic and international, including Foxconn, BYD, Ogawa, Jomo Group, Koda Group, Energizer Holdings, and others. Today, Jinbeili possesses the direction and the drive for internationalization, specialization, innovation, and diversification. In the intense market competition, we always maintain a clear mind, continuously guide products with an innovative perspective, stick to perfect product quality with greater expertise, and seek more international cooperation with a macro perspective. Jinbeili continues to introduce high-level talents to promote the company's sustainable development, and has been advancing and progressing together with the motherland, developing together with the world.